Want to know how to change your graphics in Game of Thrones? So if you want to change your video or graphic settings in Game of Thrones, this video is for you. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Game of Thrones game. So you can just simply open this up, install everything, and you should be good to go. We have also created a video on how to install it, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done all of that, you should be provided with this interface right here. And now once you're on this interface, on the bottom left side you should be seeing settings right here with this gear icon. Just simply select it. So once you have selected it, here you should be seeing video. So right by video you should be seeing graphics, and under graphics you should be seeing various settings like simple settings, frame limit, and much more. So you can just simply quick change it by selecting this custom drop down box and then selecting low right here or normal, high according to your settings. So it should be changed accordingly. And now if you want to restore everything to default, just simply select right here, restore to default, and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.